Do you feel tired all the time, even after sleeping? This is not normal, and you're not lazy. Many people wake up tired, work tired, and go to bed exhausted. This is called chronic fatigue, and it is very common today. Modern life drains your energy faster than your body can recover. Your brain is always busy, even when your body needs rest. This keeps your body in stress mode all day long. You may sleep many hours, but your body does not fully recover. Your energy is used for survival, not for healing. Brain fog, body pain, and low mood are warning signs. Coffee helps briefly, but it worsens fatigue later. Too much screen time keeps your nervous system active. Unreleased emotions silently consume your energy. The solution starts with calming your nervous system. Slow breathing tells your body it is safe. Reduce phone use before sleep to protect your energy. Morning sunlight helps restore natural energy rhythm. Balanced meals prevent energy crashes. Rest is healing. It is not laziness. Energy returns slowly but clearly. You can't pelt, you focus better and enjoy life again. Your body is not broken. It needs care. Listen to your tiredness with kindness. If you like it, please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, Quick Health Talk, for simple health advice.